compounds different from mixtures? Well, the elements in a compound are bound chemically in a fixed ratio. Mixtures, on the other hand, don't have chemical bonding. Look at this here, it's just salt mixed in water. And the concentration of the solute in the solvent can vary. You can add a little salt or a lot of salt. Also, you can't separate compounds by physical methods like filtration or distillation. That only works on mixtures. Let's see the difference between compounds and mixtures with a simple experiment. Let's take some iron filings and sulfur powder. These are two elements in their pure form. First, let's mix them thoroughly. This creates a mixture. Notice that even after mixing, the individual properties of iron and sulfur remain unchanged. The iron filings are still attracted to a magnet and can be easily separated. Now, let's see what happens when we heat the same mixture. Heating initiates a chemical reaction between iron and sulfur. Once the mixture cools, we'll check if its properties have changed. Look at this. The material is no longer attracted to a magnet. This tells us a new substance has been formed, a compound called iron sulfide. Unlike the original mixture, this compound has properties entirely different from its starting elements. Now let's test both the original mixture and the new compound with some additional steps. Let's add dilute hydrochloric acid. The sulfur in the mixture is a nonmetal and has low reactivity, so it doesn't react with the acid. Iron, however, does, and hydrogen gas is released. It is colorless, odorless, and combustible. When we add dilute hydrochloric acid to the compound, though, a different gas, hydrogen sulfide, is produced. This gas smells like rotten eggs, highlighting the chemical transformation. So, the mixture of iron and sulfur is a physical combination. The properties of the elements remain the same. On the other hand, heating caused a chemical change, forming a compound with entirely new properties.